What I would like to talk about today is one of my favorite tools, and that's the Broadfork. Uh, how and why I use it. And the reason I use it is that you can probably tell I put about an inch of compost on this bed. And so using this Broadfork, as I pull it up, that compost is going to get down into that soil. The other thing is breaking up our soil that has been compacted from walking on it, planting several times. That compaction keeps water and air from getting into the soil. And that is one of the great things about a Broadfork is that water and air can get into the soil and really keep your soil alive. All of those things that are the good bacteria and everything that's in there will really thrive with this breaking it up, breaking that compaction up. The other thing is, because I'm going deep here, the roots, you can see this Broadfork here. Every time I go back, I'll go back about 3 inches and I'll push it in there. I bring it up and I don't want to turn the soil over. I just want to break up the big pieces. And this is going to allow the roots of my plants to really get down in there. And you're going to see a difference in your plants really thrive by using this. And so if you haven't used a Broadfork, it'll probably become one of those tools that you can't hardly live without. It's just a great tool, and I appreciate you watching this video. I'll put a link to this Broadfork down below. I like it. Wasn't very expensive, works great, and I've had it for quite a while. So thanks for watching. I got to get back to work.